this is the groundnut harvesting machine. The onion or tomato or turmeric onion harvesting machine. So this is the adjustable wheel. So the front wheel is 3 inch diameter. This one is the adjustable one. So how much depth you want the blade will be go, that much depth you want to put on that one. Remove it. மேலே ஏற்றிடுவேன் ஃபுல்லாக மேலே ஏற்றிடுவேன் காமிக்கிட்டானே ஓகே டோட்டலாக மேலே ஏற்றிடணும். So you got to adjust the wheel. In ground fill type, you got to adjust the wheel for the front wheel, 3 inch diameter. So this is the 18 inch length, diameter is 3 inch diameter. So these are all that cultivation mechanism. The cultivation mechanism is coupled by the bearing, 6202 ball bearing. So this is the spurgeon mechanism. So 1:3 ratio spurgeon mechanism. So it will be a DC motor, high torque DC motor, 12 volt 90 watt 60 rpm. Then it is warm gear model. Inside warm gear will be there. So it will be torque will be high. Approximately this torque around 50 kgf torque. This is the blade. This is the blade. 6 inch depth you go to put on here. 5 inch or 4 inch you go to depth inside. These are the plate 3 mm plate. This is the double chain conveyor. The gap is 45 mm gap. The rod are 8 mm polish rod. This is the double chain. Sprocket, 4 sprocket will be there. With the sprocket all are having small sprocket. That the chain conveyor is driven by another DC motor. Same one, 12 volt, 90 watt, 60 rpm. This is warm gear motor. This is the battery, rechargeable battery. 12 volt, 7 ampere, rechargeable battery. So you got to charge it. Once you are charging, 40 minutes it will be running. After that you got to recharge it. The wheel is 14 inch diameter, rubber wheel. It's a gripped wheel. So this is for cultivation mechanism, forward and reverse. So this is the cultivation. But torque will be there. So not possible to stop that one. So that much of torque will be there. So you got to, this is the lead screw mechanism. So this is the lead screw mechanism. So you got to adjust the depth. In case of steel this, not up and down, you go to adjust that one. So you got to adjust the depth. Any size you want, you got to adjust the depth. Then you got to tighten the nut. So in field you got to work how much depth you want, you got to adjust that lead screw mechanism. The frame made of bias and speed. Then this is for cultivation motor. So you made it right. Right, made it. And the made it. Homework. Chain conveyor. This is for chain conveyor. This is for cultivation motor. Then this is for movement. You have to pull that one. How much distance you want to pull that one. So that time you go to lifting that one. Automatically it will be going to the ground. You have to pulling time, it will be going to the ground. This is the mechanism to pull that one. How much depth you want, you have to pull that one. So at that time, that is switch mode.
ரெண்டு சுவிட்சையும் போட்டு ரெண்டையும் போட்டு விடுங்க, சுவிட்ச் ரெண்டையும் போட்டு விடுங்க.
This is the concept. So that automatically the harvesting onion will be dropped into the drum. Drum size. Drum length 18 inch length. Height breadth 8 inch. Height 8 inch. Height 8 inch. Length 18 inch. Breadth 8 inch. This is for demo purpose. We are using that on mild steel tray. So these are the switches. This is for cultivation only forward reverse. Because if you have to do anything block with the wheel, that time you have to put on the reverse direction. This is the forward direction. Anything is operated, center is off, this is the reverse direction. So both will be there in cultivation position. But this one is one direction only. So that time it will be moving the onion. So now the onion will be coming outside. Here will be pulling that one, that time the bread will be coming the onion here. So this mud will be going, the sand will be going to the bottom. This will be comes to the tray, collecting tray. So this is the concept of onion harvesting machine, groundnut harvesting machine. The frame all are made of mild steel frame. Frame size will come. Breadth 20 inch breadth. 40 inch, 20 inch to 40 frame size. Height, groundnut. Height 32 inch. 32 inch. In a normal place, you go to put the wheel. Groundnut. No, after in ground position, you have to tight the wheel and you have to move any places. So this is the concept of groundnut harvesting machine.